Why does your instructor always count during your lesson? In this video, we talk about what is the clapping rhythm of the waltz dance. So keep watching until the end. One reason is, of course, to try and get you on the beat of the music, but another reason is that they are trying to teach you how to count time for yourself. Some dance students find this counting confusing, pointless, or frustrating, especially in the beginning. Of all the skills you must possess to become a dancer, this one is the most challenging thing to quantify and sometimes teach. First of all, what are we counting, exactly? Each dance has its own rhythm or cadence within the musical timing. To marry this dance rhythm to the music, we usually quantify our movements in terms of slows and quicks, where slow is worth 2 beats, and quick is worth just 1 beat. When we have a long series of quicks, we often count the dance numerically to differentiate where we are in the rhythm. Cha-cha and swing are good examples of this. Each of the primary ballroom dances has different counts. Waltz is not difficult to count because both the steps and the music are grouped in even counts of 3. Remember, though, you will start dancing to each new bar on a different foot because there is an odd number of counts. Thus, it is sometimes helpful to count 2 bars at a time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to give each step a sense of completion. If the alternation of steps throws you off, you can count the foot alternation along with the rhythm as well. For example, left, and right, left, right, until you get the alternating footwork sorted out. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. For more dance tips, subscribe to the channel.